On July 18th, history was made. President Trump signed the Genius Act, the most important federal law yet for cryptocurrencies. What does this mean for your crypto portfolio and the future of digital finance? Let's break it down. The Genius Act passed with sweeping bipartisan support, giving the U.S. its first ever federal stablecoin regulation. For years, the crypto industry's regulatory uncertainty kept big financial players at bay. That era is now over. Now, stablecoins, digital dollars like USDC and USDT, must be backed 1:1 with cash or treasuries, offer monthly reserve disclosures, and give consumer priority in bankruptcy. Only licensed issuers can launch or run stablecoins. Experts say this good housekeeping seal of approval opens the floodgates for institutional investment. The law also strengthens the US dollar's position worldwide, since all major stablecoins must hold tons of US debt, ensuring demand for American treasuries. And the market reaction? Absolutely explosive. Bitcoin rocketed to $119,000, up 77% year over year and the top-performing asset of 2025. BlackRock's IBIT ETF now holds over 700,000 Bitcoins, worth nearly $90 billion, attracting record inflows since its January 2024 launch. Ethereum jumped to $3,481, and XRP smashed records, hitting $3.60. Even Dogecoin soared nearly 15% in a day. With clear laws, big institutions like banks and tech giants are preparing to launch their own stablecoins, eyeing a share of what analysts predict will be a $2 trillion market by 2028. IBIT and other crypto ETFs are bringing mainstream investors into the digital asset boom. President Trump's personal involvement was key, calling lawmakers to win votes, and his administration is pushing even bigger crypto initiatives, from a national Bitcoin reserve to new blockchain-backed companies. Some critics worry about possible conflicts of interest, but for most in finance, regulatory clarity outweighs the doubts. With strict requirements, a federal and state oversight model, and a timeline for rapid rollout, the Genius Act sets the global gold standard for digital asset law. The Genius Act has launched a new era, with the U.S. leading digital finance. This is just the beginning of crypto's mainstream transformation.